Alright guys, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team, and if you're new here, welcome. Apologize about the wind noise if that happens in the microphone. I am here at V&V Automotive getting a camshaft put in my truck right now. This place I trust, that's why I'm getting it done here. It'll be done in a few days. I can't wait to get it back. They have already gotten into action. They are tearing it apart. The reason why I trust this place because I have experienced and drove trucks that they've put cams in, and I have raced against them, and they are very quick trucks, and those trucks with camshafts in them actually are towing. Wow, yeah, pretty badass. All right, oh man, this is a sweet Mopar. All right, this is not just a Mopar shop, guys. I know we do Mopar a lot on this channel, but this shop right here will get you going. LS, anything you need, all right? You can get it. Tuning, you can see camshafts. This is where I got my torque converter installed. This is where I'll get my 456s installed. All right, they're treating me with respect, getting it done. They're letting me do this little video here because I appreciate what they're doing. All right, V&V Automotive. This place is awesome, guys. All right, I've been really looking for a place, you know, that can take care of me. I was really scared to get my truck modded. I knew I couldn't do everything myself. I mean, we just can't do everything. I did a lot of the stuff myself on my truck. All right, I'm not gonna do it all. I'd like to have that professional touch. You know, I really want to go out and hit some hard nitrous pumps. So really not looking to have some issues because of my own fault. All right, and I'm not looking to put it on somebody else. I just know that these guys are going to put it in right the first time. All right, and they also warranty too, so that's pretty cool. You know, I can appreciate that. I really wish I had this ride right here. Wow, this thing is sweet. Yeah, I'm really excited to get this done. Let's look at the truck real quick. So I could come in here and kind of walk around. Just got to be careful. Get your smog test done here. Come and get it. I mean, anything, brakes, what it does, regular maintenance, it don't matter. Just, you know, they do it all. All right, and get it all. Really excited. This is the beginning. It's going up and down. All right, in a few days. And there's a little gander at what's going on. A few days, it'll be done. Really excited about this. If you're wondering why they're using the back of my truck like this, is because I started using it. I told them they can just go ahead and use the back of the truck. It was so much easier. So much easier. I'm the one that started throwing the stuff back here in the first place. I like it. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. This is gonna be awesome. It's a HPT cam for most performance. And the initial tune going in here is going to be Hemi Fever. Oh yes, I mean Hemi Fever. Saying it a little funny, I'm just excited. Yep, that's it right there. I appreciate y'all. We'll see what happens here in a couple days. We'll get back and see how it chops. explosion.